Tapping holes is quick and easy when using your Hougen magnetic drill. First, unplug your drill from the outlet. There are two different types of arbors your drill could have. For arbors without the brass coolant inducer, loosen the set screw holding the arbor onto the motor output spindle. If your drill has a brass coolant inducer, first remove the coolant tube. Next, remove the screw from the front of the inducer. Then, rotate the arbor until the set screw inside the inducer is even with the hole, and loosen the set screw holding the arbor onto the motor output spindle. Once the arbor is loose, remove the two bolts using a 9/16 inch wrench or ratchet that hold the front support bracket to the magnet. Install the stop arm onto the top of the tapping unit. Once assembled, thread the adapter into the tapping body. Slide the adapter and tapping unit onto the motor output spindle and tighten the set screw. Insert the correct size collet into the collet retainer. Install the tab into the collet retainer. Tighten the jaws so the tab is firmly held into place. Then tighten the collet retainer. Always use high quality machine tabs for best results. You are now ready to tap with your Hougen mag drill. For blind holes, a stop block will need to be installed. Use the two holes in the top of the magnet to bolt it on. To set your tapping depth, slide the drill to the edge of the material and adjust the stop rod to set your tap depth. You are now ready to tap blind holes. Always use plenty of coolant when tapping and light feed pressure to drive the tap. For 2-speed mag drills, always tap in low gear. Whether you are tapping through holes or blind holes, your Hougen mag drill will make the job quick and easy.